Are you tired of dealing with weak, brittle hair? Do you dream of having luscious locks that radiate strength and vitality? Well, look no further. We've gathered the most raved about hair oils that are specifically formulated to strengthen and revitalize your precious strands. First up, we have the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. With its incredible popularity and outstanding ratings, it's no wonder it's a fan favorite. Users see noticeable improvements in their hairlines and even witness the growth of those coveted baby hairs. Plus, the refreshing peppermint scent adds an extra touch of delight. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a pleasant hair strengthening experience. And let's not forget how it works wonders in enhancing hair thickness. Your locks will thank you for the extra love and care. Next on our list is the Briogeo Strengthening Treatment Oil. This premium oil is a true game changer. Highly rated and trusted by many, it's an investment worth making for your hair's health. Users have praised its ability to keep their hair hydrated and moisturized, preventing those pesky split ends. The delightful aroma adds a luxurious touch to your hair care routine. Even for those with stubborn hair, this oil does the trick, leaving your strands feeling soft and strengthened without weighing them down. Shine on and bid farewell to frizz with this hair-transforming elixir. At number 3, we have the Hair Thickness Maximizer Rosemary Oil. Don't let its modest price fool you. This oil packs a punch when it comes to promoting healthy and strong hair. Users rave about its efficacy in stimulating hair growth and its impressive value for money. With regular use, you'll notice your hair feeling softer, shinier, and more manageable. Say hello to a delightful scent that won't overpower your senses, making each application a pleasurable experience. This oil is light on the scalp, ensuring maximum benefits without any discomfort. At number 4 is the Hair Chemist Natural Castor Hair Oil. And at number 5 is the Camille Rose Nangai and Tsubaki Strength Restore Hair Oil. Remember, strong and resilient hair starts with the right care, so why wait? Try out these amazing oils and witness the incredible difference they can make. Your hair will thank you. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. And as always, see you in the next video.